Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more awesome content. So in this video, we are gonna discuss on how we should prepare for our speaking section of Ielts academic test. Now, there's nothing much that we can do in a very short span of time for the speaking section, for the speaking test. But there are few points that you should always focus and you should always practice. So, the first one is listen to the audio clips with British accent. Now, this is one thing that you should do for a speaking test. And while listening, you should repeat the audio without pausing the clip. Now, that's one important thing. And along with this, if you could record yourself while speaking while speaking these clips, you can always identify where is the point you struggle the most and you can improve upon them. Most of the people do skip few connectors that they should use and start using so that's the point where you should focus on and use the perfect connector. And one thing that everyone suggests, that you should practice speaking in English language on a daily basis. Try communicating with your friends, family, people around you on a daily basis in English language. So guys, this was it. This was the strategy that I would suggest every one of you to follow while you're preparing for the speaking section of IELTS academic test. Now, if you wish to move to different section or if you want to select different video, you can see the pop-ups right on the screen. Or if you want to move back to the main menu, you can click on the card right above here. Thanks for watching the video, guys.